Missing Trelawny Fisherman found dead. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. If it's the first time you're watching, please subscribe to the channel so you're always updated with our latest news report. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A Trelawny fisherman reported missing almost 2 weeks ago was found washed up in a cave at sea. He has been identified as Christopher Lawrence, otherwise called Flavor Chris, of Zion District, Maltabury in the parish. The 35-year-old, who was also a barber, was last seen alive at beach in Falmouth before he went fishing on February the 6th. His body was reportedly found washed up in a cave at sea on February the 9th. The police said that his body was removed and transported to the morgue pending a post-mortem examination. The Trelawny police are investigating and have so far not ruled out foul play within the case. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.